Welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss about pre-roll ads. YouTube, as one of the largest video sharing platforms globally, relies on advertising to sustain its free content model. Pre-roll ads are a primary form of video advertising on YouTube, offering a platform for businesses and creators to reach their target audience. *** Significance of YouTube pre-roll ads ***. YouTube pre-roll ads hold immense significance in the digital advertising landscape. They allow advertisers to leverage the platform's vast user base and diverse content to connect with potential customers. For content creators, pre-roll ads represent a key revenue stream, enabling them to monetize their videos and invest in higher quality content. *** Creation process ***. The creation of effective pre-roll ads involves careful consideration of several elements. From concise storytelling to visually appealing graphics, advertisers aim to capture viewers' attention within the first few seconds. The ad's message should be clear, compelling, and aligned with the advertiser's brand strategy. Additionally, adhering to YouTube's ad policies is crucial to ensure the ad's approval and compliance. *** Targeting methods ***. YouTube employs sophisticated targeting methods to enhance the relevance of pre-roll ads. Advertisers can target audiences based on demographics, interests, and online behavior. YouTube leverages Google's extensive data to refine targeting, ensuring that ads are shown to users who are more likely to engage with the content. *** User experience ***. Balancing user experience is paramount in the realm of pre-roll ads. While ads provide revenue, an excessive number or poorly designed ads can lead to a negative viewing experience. YouTube employs algorithms to optimize ad frequency and relevance, aiming to deliver a personalized experience for each user. *** Ad formats ***. YouTube supports various ad formats, including skippable and non-skippable pre-roll ads. Skippable ads give viewers the option to skip the ad after a few seconds, providing a balance between user choice and advertiser exposure. Non-skippable ads require viewers to watch the entire ad, offering a higher level of engagement at the cost of potential viewer frustration. *** Effectiveness metrics ***. Advertisers gauge the success of pre-roll ads through various metrics: view-through rate (VTR), click-through rate (CTR), and conversion rates (R). Key indicators of an ad's effectiveness. Additionally, advertisers analyze audience retention to understand at which point viewers may lose interest in the ad. Asterisk asterisk challenges and opportunities asterisk asterisk. Despite their effectiveness, pre-roll ads face challenges, such as ad fatigue and the rise of ad blockers. Advertisers must continually innovate to capture and retain audience attention. Opportunities lie in leveraging YouTube's evolving features, such as interactive elements and shoppable ads, to enhance user engagement. Asterisk asterisk conclusion asterisk asterisk. In conclusion, YouTube pre-roll ads play a pivotal role in the digital advertising ecosystem. Providing a dynamic platform for businesses and content creators. The creation, targeting, and evaluation of these ads involve a nuanced approach that balances revenue generation with a positive user experience. As YouTube continues to evolve, pre-roll ads will likely adapt. Challenges in the ever-changing landscape of online video advertising. YouTube supports various ad formats, including skippable and non-skippable pre-roll ads. Skippable ads give viewers the option to skip the ad after a few seconds. Providing a balance between user choice and advertiser exposure. Non-skippable ads require viewers to watch the entire ad, offering a higher level of engagement at the cost of potential viewer frustration. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.